Hi everybody, my name is Susana Passinhas. I'm a UX design educator, mentor and coach. I have worked as a designer for 16 years, and in the past years I started to teach and mentor students from all over the world, and I noticed that there are a lot of common questions and doubts about specific topics. So I decided to create a series of videos covering those questions and needs in the hopes of you build a strong foundation into the core ideas, concepts, and principles of design. Today we'll be looking into affinity mapping and how to do it fast or faster than before by using AI. So, let's assume that you already did some user interviews, okay? So in this case, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to create some notes. Let's say that you have your notes transcribed, or maybe you just type the notes into a notebook. Whatever is the case, you have some content, okay? So I'm just going to ask here ChatGPT to create for me. Perfect. We have here a list, but we actually don't need the titles of the behaviors, motivations, and so on. So I'm just going to ask to rewrite without it. Okay, so let's go one by one. Let's go here to oh, but now it's like we want this to be in oh, we just want this to be a list. It's okay. Let's use this one here. So let's go with Sophia first. I'm just going to do copy. Okay, let's go to Figma. And in here, we will be using a plugin, okay? The plugin we want to use, sorry, it's here. It's called Text to Sticky Notes. If you use your notes from a table like Excel, you can use this one. But if you just had notes written in a Word document, whatever it was, okay, you can use this one, yeah? If it's probably for you, it's not here, you can just go to Manage Plugins and type it in here and it will appear. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it says to us, enter your notes, task, or ideas. Each line will create a separate sticky note. That's exactly what we want, okay? In our case, it was a paragraph, okay? But you already know it needs to be line by line, okay? I could also have asked ChatGPT to do that for me, but I mean, it's also good to keep a little bit like a little bit of work on your side, I would say, okay? So, well, let's go there and do it. Why not? Okay? Write each sentence in a different line. Here we have it. Saving time. Okay, good. Okay, this is exactly what we want. Probably this is what will look like your notes from the interviews. You will have more than this for sure. Okay, but this is just an example. Okay, let's go here. Okay, here we have it. As simple as this. Arrange horizontally. So let's do vertically. Okay, we will do this by user. Create notes. Perfect. Here we have it. Okay, it's being created. Yeah, amazing. And we already know that this belongs to, let me close this, to Sophia. And so we can go into the other user, Dan. Okay, so I'm just going to select these. Let's imagine again, this is your Google Notes or your transcript from your meeting. Okay, create notes. Perfect. Okay, let's change the color so we don't get confused and we know this is from another user. I always recommend you doing that. Okay, so this is from another user. Let's do just one more and then let's organize it. Okay, so in here, okay, good, copy. Let's go here, paste. Very well, here we have it. Let's say this one is blue, so we know. Okay, so imagine you do this for all your notes. Okay, super fast. Before, you probably would have to type in, so this was done very quickly. I don't know, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Good. So imagine that you have here all your notes from your transcript, or like you're in Google Docs, whatever you were adding these notes. Perfect. The only thing you need to remember is that they need to be line by line. Okay, now, okay, I have here all the notes, and now I'm gonna ask AI to help me again, and I want them to be organized by topic. It says beta. Beta means this is not 100% trustable or stable. So have that in your mind, okay? Let's use it. Sorting out. Okay, it's doing the work for me. Let's see if it actually makes sense, okay? Everything with AI so far, it still needs to be reviewed, okay? You cannot trust 100%, and also you want to be aware of what is going on, okay? So, some financial goals and strategies. Remember what I asked ChatGPT? The goal that I had, I wanted to understand what are the goals and strategies. These are the post-its about it, but I still don't know what actually are the goals and strategies. Literally, I don't know, okay? I just know that these post-its are about it, okay? So, save enough kids' education, includes retiring. Let me see. Personal, okay. Okay, there's a few things here. All right, okay. So probably you would still need to go inside of it and do it again, okay? What are actually the financial goals and strategies? I still don't know. So I can just select this. Let's go organize. Let's organize it again by topic. And let's see if it makes it a little bit more meaningful. So, financial goals and strategies. Oh, there are some topics here about education, good, and resources, okay. Spending optimization, looks for optimizing, money, savings, okay. It starts to make more sense, yeah. Still, I recommend you to read it again, yeah, and you already saved a lot of time doing this, okay. When it comes to this, I would recommend you to read it again and maybe make the subgrouping more meaningful. Okay, this is about retirement. Okay, so and yeah, then the instability. So you still might want to go inside and do it again and do the more meaningful subgroups. Okay, so this was financial goals and strategies. Copy section 1 will change to that, and everything inside is that. Okay, so in here, for example, these twos, the goal retirement, okay, is this one and this one. Okay, for this the goal is maybe something else. I would create something else here. Okay, so this the other one. It's to have a sense of security. No, we can create another section if you want, but it's that. Okay, so you can give it a title here, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so I think we are cutting a couple of hours doing affinity mapping, which is great. Nevertheless, in the last step, so not in the grouping outside, but in the subgrouping, go deep and find the meaning, the answers that you need. Okay, and yeah, good luck. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you clarify a little bit your doubts about this topic. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at UXUI with Susana Passinhas, Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn as well. It's Susana Passinhas. You can check my services. I have mentorships and programs specially tailored for junior designers, okay? At www.susanapassinhas.com. I'll leave all the information below. Thank you. Bye.